Here is American psychologist, isa siya sikat na vlogger, psychologist. Balik group ni actually 6 siya ka stages tapos iyang come up with kanang atong time sa January. Because of the according to psychology, the first we call it a complex sentence. Okay. Now, a complete sentence contains.
Hello man. Morning. Papatasya ko na niya. Ako lang ko na attendance.
Grabe sa lang ano man. It's unfair.
Dapat ano siya anong proper na process.
Precisely. Then, if you flex together the.
So, I think you're feeling your own opinion.
No, I'm just feeling the truth. Truth. Because the truth will set us free.
Wow.
Because if
But
we
it
can.
hurts.
No, the truth hurts, but if you can hurt, you also heal.
Congressman Justin, ano po masasabi niyo kay Diskaya na di ba medyo kayo nagpadakot siya?
This guy is solution. Yeah. This guy is solution. Because this guy is living
But you can define a person Diskaya.
this guy is so fabulous. Fabulous.
Oh, you say so.
Because he has a lot of property.
How about the Lakulit car? What can you feel about siya? The Lakulit car. Umbrella under the Rolls Royce.
Yeah, umbrella tree.
So, you can do the same. Habang sa person sa Kotakwal.
No, initially, nakagit tayo ito. Nakita mo tinato mo. Nakagit medyo lapses ko. Nakagit medyo lapses.
So, same may tagos mga natin. Surrender sila o...
I do suggest na ano lang sila na sakla sa hindi sa nila yung surrender nila ako say actually agi mo ito due process due process
What do you mean by due process?
due process is like a due date you have this kind of feeling that you can't afford to because you